Most olive oil on store shelves is secretly diluted with cheap fillers, and there's an easy way to catch the fakes. Just use your fridge. Put your olive oil in the refrigerator overnight. Pure, real olive oil will start to solidify because of its natural fats, turning cloudy and thick. If your olive oil stays perfectly clear and runny, there's a good chance it's been blended with lower quality oils that don't solidify at cold temperatures. This simple test can reveal if you're actually getting the health benefits and flavor you paid for, or if you've been duped by a counterfeit bottle all along.